In this video, we are going to see how we can increase or decrease the space between the bullet point itself and the physical text. So if you have this specific space that you want to increase or decrease, here's what you can do. First of all, just select all the bullet points for which you want to adjust those, and you can see the margin ruler here. If you don't, click on the view menu and click on show ruler. And after that, you just hold the physical text and you move it backwards. But as you can see, the bullet point move backwards as well. So if you want to bring it closer, you can adjust it like this. And if you want to bring it farther, you can hold this dash sign and just move it to whatever position you want. And you can bring it as close as possible like this. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.